Hello everyone! Welcome to Decor Tricks channel. Today, we're tackling small bathroom decor for 2024. Small spaces can be tricky, but we've got 6 game-changing ideas. From maximizing vertical space to playing with light colors for that open feel, we're covering it all. Mirrors? They're your secret weapon for adding depth. And let's talk about the elegance of a floating vanity. It's a game changer. Compact fixtures? We've got the best picks. Plus, we'll show you how to bring nature indoors with plants. Stick around for practical tips and trendy solutions to make your small bathroom a stylish haven. Let's dive in and transform your space. When it comes to small bathrooms, every inch counts. That's why one of the best strategies is to utilize vertical space effectively. Instead of cluttering the floor with bulky cabinets or storage units, think upwards. Wall-mounted shelves and cabinets are your best friends here. They not only free up precious floor space, but also keep your essentials neatly organized and within easy reach. Consider installing shelves above your toilet or sink area. These can hold towels, toiletries, and decorative items without taking up any floor space. Wall-mounted cabinets are another great option for storing cleaning supplies, extra toiletries, or even linens. By taking advantage of vertical space, you not only create a more open and spacious feel in your bathroom, but also add a touch of style with well-organized storage solutions. It's a simple yet effective way to make the most out of your small bathroom. Light colors play a crucial role in transforming the look and feel of a small bathroom. When you're dealing with limited space, opting for colors like white, soft pastels, or neutral tones can work wonders. These light hues have a magical way of opening up the space and making it feel more airy and spacious. One of the key benefits of using light colors is their ability to reflect light. Natural light bounces off these hues, making the room appear brighter and more inviting. This is especially beneficial for bathrooms with small or no windows, as it helps combat any sense of darkness or claustrophobia. Additionally, light colors create a sense of tranquility and cleanliness, which are essential for a relaxing bathroom environment. They also serve as a versatile backdrop, allowing you to play with different accent colors or decor styles without overwhelming the space. So, whether you're painting the walls, choosing tiles, or selecting bathroom fixtures, consider embracing light colors to enhance the overall look and ambience of your small bathroom. It's a simple yet effective design choice that can make a big difference. Mirrors are a small bathroom's best friend when it comes to creating the illusion of space. They are not just functional, but also serve as powerful design elements. A large mirror or mirrored cabinet can work wonders in making your bathroom appear larger and more expansive. The trick with mirrors is their ability to reflect light. By strategically placing a mirror to capture natural or artificial light, you can instantly brighten up the room and eliminate any shadows. This not only makes the bathroom feel brighter, but also adds a sense of depth and openness. Another advantage of mirrors is their versatility. You can choose from various shapes, sizes, and styles to suit your bathroom's aesthetic. A full-length mirror can visually elongate the space, while a mirrored cabinet serves dual purposes by providing storage and reflecting light. For smaller bathrooms, consider incorporating mirrors into multiple areas, such as above the sink, on cabinet doors, or even as a decorative feature on walls. This creates a cohesive and visually appealing look while maximizing the mirror's functionality. Overall, mirrors are a design trick that can make a significant impact in transforming your small bathroom into a more spacious and well-lit retreat. A floating vanity is a stylish and practical solution for small bathrooms. Unlike traditional vanities that rest on the floor, a floating vanity is mounted directly onto the wall, creating a sleek and modern look. This design choice not only adds visual appeal but also helps maximize floor space, making your bathroom feel more open and spacious. One of the key advantages of a floating vanity is its ability to create the illusion of a larger floor area. By exposing the floor underneath, the bathroom appears less cluttered and more streamlined. This is particularly beneficial in compact spaces where every inch counts. Floating vanities also offer functional benefits. They typically come with storage options such as drawers or shelves, allowing you to keep your bathroom essentials organized and easily accessible. This eliminates the need for additional storage units that can take up valuable floor space. Moreover, floating vanities come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes to complement your bathroom decor. Whether you prefer a minimalist design or a more luxurious look, there's a floating vanity option to suit your taste and space requirements. Space-saving fixtures are crucial for small bathrooms, like corner sinks that free up central space and come in various styles. Narrow bathtubs and shower combos are perfect for compact areas without sacrificing comfort. Wall-mounted toilets streamline the look, making cleaning easier and enhancing the spacious feel. Compact storage solutions, such as recessed cabinets or built-in niches, keep essentials organized without adding bulk. These fixtures blend seamlessly into the wall, optimizing both functionality and aesthetics. Choosing the right fixtures can transform a small bathroom into a stylish and comfortable space. Introducing plants and greenery into your small bathroom can breathe life into the space and add a refreshing touch. Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also contribute to a healthier and more relaxing environment. When selecting plants for your bathroom, opt for varieties that thrive in low light and high humidity conditions. Examples include pothos, snake plants, spider plants, and ferns. These plants are easy to care for and can thrive in the moisture-rich environment of a bathroom. Consider placing plants on shelves, countertops, or even hanging them from the ceiling to maximize space. Wall-mounted planters or small potted plants can also add a vertical dimension to the room, making it feel more expansive. In conclusion, transforming your small bathroom into a stylish and functional space is entirely achievable with the right ideas and strategies. From maximizing vertical space to playing with light colors, incorporating mirrors, floating vanities, space-saving fixtures, and adding plants and greenery, there are numerous ways to enhance your bathroom's look and feel. We hope these 6 ideas have inspired you to get creative and make the most out of your small bathroom. Remember, every design choice should not only be aesthetically pleasing but also practical and tailored to your needs. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might benefit from these ideas. Subscribe to our channel for more home decor tips, renovation inspiration, and design hacks. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see how you transform your small bathroom into a beautiful and functional space.